Pet stairs for beds may be the most useful accessory you didn't know you needed for your dog or cat. If your pet is small or has a long body and short legs like a Corgi, Dachshund, or Munchkin cat, pet stairs will give them an added sense of independence. Quality pet stairs are available in a variety of styles, materials, and colors. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. PetSafe Cozyup Folding Dog Stairs. The PetSafe Cozyup Folding Wood Pet Steps in Large is the best choice for large dogs. These strong, durable, folding wooden steps are constructed to support dogs that weigh up to 200 pounds. The PetSafe Cozyup Folding Wood Pet Steps feature no-slip carpet covers to keep your dog or cat from slipping and sliding when they use the steps to get on and off furniture. Raised side rails give your pet a sense of security, and carpeted treads provide traction so your pet's paws can grip the steps for increased confidence. You can fold these wooden steps in a decorative cherry finish, flat, and slip them under a piece of furniture for convenience. They are also available in small and medium size. Number 2. Pet Stairs Collection. This Pet Stairs collection has convenient 4-step design of these pet stairs helps your dog or cat get where they are going. Whether you need a dog bed ramp or a way for your furry friend to get into and out of your vehicle with ease. Durable and easy to clean, made of tough plastic. These durable pet steps are perfect for small dogs, cats, rabbits, or other small animals. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use and can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth and mild soap. Safety features: the built-in side rails keep your pet secure while the non-slip foam pads protect your pet and your floors. Adhesive back felt step covers provide better traction, and the snap lock feature keeps the steps stable when in use. Number 3. PetSafe Cozyup Wood Bedside Ramp for Dogs. Review of PetSafe Cozyup Bed Ramp for Dogs. Indeed, owners of dogs who were unsure about using pet stairs for dogs were more receptive to this dog ramp. It was a lot easier coaxing them to take this ramp for dogs, possibly because it's much like the floor, except for the gentle slope. When you compare it to pet stairs for large dogs, this ramp is not as intimidating whenever you start training your dog to climb. At the top of the ramp, there's a landing before transitioning to the bed. That's a good detail, especially for a pet ramp designed to be placed alongside the bed. It must be noted that this is not foldable. To store it, it has to be unscrewed and taken apart. That's both good and not too good, depending on what you're looking to get out of your dog ramp. Number 4. Pet Studio Pine Frame Dog Ramp. Pet Studio Dog Stair Ramp is a rare option that you can easily convert from stairs to a ramp, a much easier way for arthritic dogs to climb up. These tall dog stairs have 3 carpeted non-slip steps that make going up or down comfortable and safe for the dog. It's designed for small and large dogs, weighing up to 150 pounds, due to the design of Pet Studio Dog Steps for high beds. They are wide enough and there is no wobble whatsoever, so most dogs will feel confident to climb them. Another feature of these wooden dog steps is that the leg end that touches the floor is padded, which is great to prevent sliding and to protect the floor from scratches. Number 5. Petsfit 3 Steps Wooden Dog Stairs. Petsfit product steps have 3 steady and well-placed treads that allow your dog easy access to a sofa or bed, but you wouldn't use them for a vehicle. Petsfit products pet stairs are great for elderly cats and dogs with short legs and long bodies. The frame and tread are made from hardwood and have quality workmanship reminiscent of a good old solid piece of wood furniture. Each tread is non-slip and carpeted, which provides good traction and makes it safer for dogs. I particularly appreciated the slow rise, the considerable depth and width of each tread on these stairs. The tread is generously wide at 18 inch high and quite deep at 9 inch high. These can be great dog steps for beds too, if you let your dog sleep with you. The storage feature and classy look are great bonuses for pet owners looking for dog stairs for small dogs that will also fit well within their home decor. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Subscribe this channel, enjoy our content. Thank you.